let's zoom it on in so that we can begin. First off, I'll be diving in the Nude Persuasion palette by Bolive Beauty, going in with the shade Mahogany. I'll be using a fluffy blending brush. This is the Sigma E40, and applying a generous amount right underneath my eyebrows. Apply that using windshield wiper motions back and forth as you build on that color. Y'all, I want to mention that this palette is my go-to palette for my transition shades. It has all your browns, your neutral colors, and I think it's very beginner friendly if you're just starting out with makeup. I also want to mention that is concealer that is underneath my eyebrows. If you want to check out my eyebrow tutorial, the link will be in the description box and down below. Your dreams and your goals are useless unless you force yourself to push them out. This beautiful bright brown named Suntanned will be applied in the corner underneath my eyebrows just to brighten that area up a little bit. I'm going to be using a smaller, firmer, detailed brush and just going in windshield wiper motions. I'll be applying that very lightly, delicately, and I'll be taking my blending brush afterwards and going to be blending that area out. Alright, now I'm taking this darker shade called Cafe, and I'll be using a small tampered blending brush, and I'm going to be building that color on the upper outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to be bringing it into the crease and then diagonally down into the outer corners of the lids. You just want to take your time and just build as you go. And then you're going to be going back with that blending brush and blend that all out. And this is NYX's glitter primer. I'm just going to be using just any old brush to apply that only on my lids. This is Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. I'll be taking this pretty light glittery blue with a flat packing brush. I'll be packing that color in the inner corners of my lids. You can come out towards the middle just a little bit, but don't go out too far. You just want to try to stay closest to your inner corners. Using the other side of the same brush, I'm going to be packing the Colorpop's Super Shock, goddamn, shadow in the shade Mogul. This beautiful deep blue is going to be packed all over the rest of my lids. I will be blending it with the other blue as well, patting over top of it just a little bit. And then I'm going back in with the shade Cafe in my crease to bring that darker brown out just a little bit. And then I'll be blending that crease out. Remember y'all, blending is key, just like your goals are key. It may take a while to get there, but you will get there. And also with Cafe, I'm going to bring it down my lower lash line with a smaller detail brush. So now we're about to move on to our face. So let's zoom on out and put our goals into place. The professional primer, that's going to be applied all over my clean face. This is Soul Body Foundation in the shade Medium Dark 14. I'm just going to be placing that with any brush all over my face. And this is NYX Total Control Hue Shifter. I just like to apply a little bit of that just to give my foundation a more vibrant looking effect. And then with my foundation brush, I'm going to generously just buff out all of that foundation all over my face. Make sure you take your time and blend everything out. Just a reminder, y'all, blending takes a while, and that's with anything. So I just want to let y'all know to take your time. So I wanted my under eyes to appear a little brighter in this look. So I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Tan Neutral. And this Colorpop foundation is in the shade Medium Dark. And I'm going to take the lighter NYX and I'm applying that in the inner part under my eyes, and the rest of my eyes, my under eyes, is going to be applied with the Colorpop, going along down the chin area, underneath my nose, down the bridge of my nose, in the middle of my 5 head, y'all. And I'm going to be carefully blending everything out. I don't know who I'm telling this to right now, but you are beautiful. Please keep striving. Do not worry about the haters. Let them hate while you celebrate, okay? And y'all, please excuse the lighting in this video. The sun was just not in my favor that day. I'm so pissed, but yeah, please excuse the lighting. And that is Beauty Bakery's Flour Setting Powder. That's going to be applied where I have applied all my concealers. Y'all, your foundation is your mindset. Get your mind right and then go reach for the stars. That's Colourpop's matte bronzer in the shade Moonlight Beach. I'm going to be taking a medium-sized round brush and I'm going to be applying that on my cheekbone areas, my jawline, on the sides of the bridge of my nose. Oh, and around my head, my 5 head. I'm going to be going back with my setting powder and just chiseling that bronzer out on the sides of my face there. And then I'm going to be blending out that bronzer with my beauty blender. And then taking a big fluffy brush and kind of swiping all of that loose powder away. You are too beautiful, no matter what people say. So keep striving for greatness. Alright, come what may. And once I swiped all that loose powder, I'm going to take my foundation brush and making sure I blend everything out. Going back in my Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette, going in with that shimmery blue, and it's going to be applied on my tear duct areas. That is the Milani blush in red Vino. That's going to be applied on the apples of my cheeks. And taking it upwards just a little bit. And then with my beauty blender, I'm going to make sure I blend that out. Taking some mascara from my bottom lashes. That is Colorpop's Lippy Pencil in the shade BBF number 4. That brown is going to go on the lines of my lips. And this is Kylie Jenner's matte lipstick in the shade You Could Never. This lighter brown is going to be applied all over my lips. And this Bolive Beauty lip color will be applied in the inner part of my lips. Topping off with NYX setting spray. I sure hope y'all enjoyed these positive vibes, and until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.